Gardening is supposed to be peaceful, but let's be real, it rarely feels that way. Most of the time, it's sore backs from bending over tough soil, pests munching on your plants, and tools that barely work. But here's the good news. We've got smart garden gadgets and accessories that actually save your back, your patience, and even your plants. So stick around till the end because we're about to show you the gear that makes gardening way easier and a lot more fun. All the mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20, HoseGarden Splitter. First, we have a double hose connector that features reinforced inlet and outlet components for durability. Expertly redesigned after extensive testing, this two-way garden hose splitter has long, rubber-coated handles for smooth, comfortable operation. Its 360-degree swivel allows hoses to move freely, while the threaded female end with a rubber ring prevents leaks. Number 19, Walensee Thatch Rake. This gadget will help you to keep lawns healthy and neat by removing thatch, leaves, and debris. Its 19 curved steel tines penetrate soil to clear dead grass and enhance aeration and drainage. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel, it features an ergonomic adjustable handle with a rubber grip for comfort. Easy to assemble and detach, this versatile rake suits different heights and offers convenient storage, making lawn care effortless and efficient. Number 18, Solar Animal Repeller Outdoor. We all want to protect our lawn, and it does that by keeping your garden, lawn, or farm free from pests like squirrels, rabbits, deer, stray cats, and skunks using high-frequency ultrasonic waves. Solar-powered and waterproof, it charges in sunlight and works reliably in rain, snow, or wind. Safe for humans and pets. It emits 13.5 kHz to 65.5 kHz to deter unwanted animals. Number 17, Handheld Sprayer. It's perfect for watering lawns, gardens, and plants. Its manual air pump delivers high-pressure sprays for complete coverage, while the adjustable nozzle allows you to customize the spray pattern. Less in weight and portable, it's easy to carry and maneuver around any outdoor space. Made from durable materials, this sprayer is built to endure regular use, providing reliable, long-lasting performance for all your watering needs. Number 16, Polycarbonate Greenhouse. A quick and sturdy setup with slide-in panels, which saves time and improves stability. Made with 720 grams per square meter polycarbonate panels and a reinforced aluminum frame, it delivers year-round durability. UV-coated panels protect plants from harmful rays while letting in maximum sunlight. Adjustable ventilation, a lockable door, and vent window create a secure, well-circulated environment, helping plants thrive in both safety and comfort. Number 15, Battery-Powered Weed Sprayer. The Devu Battery-Powered Weed Sprayer makes garden and lawn care simple with its 5-liter tank. Its Type-C handle and telescopic wand allow easy reach and comfortable handling, while brass nozzles deliver precise spraying for watering plants, treating weeds, or lawn maintenance. The electric-powered design ensures consistent pressure, reducing effort and saving time. Number 14, Gardenised. This decorative garden edging set combines style and function with 16-inch wide, 12-inch tall panels that snap together for easy no-dig installation. Slim bases integrate smoothly into soil without disturbing plants. Made from durable, weather-resistant plastic, the panels define garden beds, walkways, tree rings, or lawn edges while keeping weeds and grass at bay. Number 13, Agri-Fab. Now we have a 42-inch lawn sweeper that makes maintaining a pristine lawn effortless. Its high-performance design efficiently picks up grass clippings during spring and summer and collects leaves and small twigs in the fall. Ideal for homeowners seeking a clean, professional-looking lawn, this sweeper saves time and effort while ensuring your yard remains tidy throughout the year. Its reliable performance makes lawn cleanup easier and more efficient. Number 12, Mr. Stacky. The Mr. Stacky planters use a patented flow-through system to conserve water, save space, and encourage efficient growth. Constructed from food-safe polypropylene, watering the top pot nourishes all the stacked planters below. Ideal for growing strawberries, herbs, flowers, succulents, and other plants, this set includes 5 stackable planters and a bottom saucer. Number 11, Smart Smart Flowerpots. This smart plant device monitors water levels in real time with its self-priming large capacity tank, reducing frequent watering and supporting up to 10 days for plants like ivy. It tracks vibration, light, and environmental conditions while offering custom watering, light, and temperature programs. Interactive touch gestures and AIoT sensors let plants express emotions. A digital photo frame displays personalized media, and smart ecological access connects devices for conservation mode, plant status, water levels, and more. Number 10. Aquor Hydrant. This freeze-proof outdoor faucet delivers superior protection with 7 times better freeze resistance than brass, automatically winterizing without foam covers. Its elevated design allows quick, leak-free connections to hoses and sprinklers. Built from lead-free 316L, stainless steel, and crush-proof military-grade polymer, it ensures long-lasting, professional-grade durability. Number 9. Pocket self-watering. This self-watering wall planter system features an automatic drip design that waters plants from top to bottom, preventing stagnant water and reducing watering frequency. Each planter has 3 pockets for growing herbs, succulents, or vegetables in small spaces. The set includes 12 modular planters, crafted from durable, lightweight propene polymer, ideal for indoor or outdoor use. Number 8. Garden Auger Drill Bit. This heavy-duty spiral auger drill bit set is built for durability. Crafted from premium alloy steel with rust-resistant coating. The 2-bit set attaches to any 3/8-inch hex drill and works on soil, sand, dirt, and ice. Dig holes up to 16 inches deep for bulbs, plants, fence posts, or outdoor lights quickly and effortlessly. Faster than shovels, it saves time, reduces hand strain, and makes landscaping easy. Number 7. Roamwild Multi-Digge. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Fork is a lightweight fiberglass tool designed for efficient soil cultivation. Its unique dual soft AIR grip handles provide comfort during use, while bladed tines easily cut through soil lumps for spading, tilling, or aerating. It's good for garden beds, borders, and other outdoor projects. Number 6. SONKIR Soil pH Meter. This 3-in-1 soil tester measures moisture, pH, and sunlight levels with a simple function button. No batteries are required. Just insert into soil, wait a few minutes, and read accurate results. Designed with durable materials and advanced technology, it ensures long-term reliability. Number 5. Ohuhu Garden Kneeler. This garden kneeler features a padded elevated cushion that protects your knees and keeps them clean. Flip it over to use as a garden chair for taller plants, supporting up to 150 kilograms. Quick fold design allows easy setup and storage. Lightweight but durable with steel, EVA, and plastic construction. It also includes 2 Velcro tool pouches. Number 4. Suca Plant Tying Machine. This time-saving plant tying tool features a 45mm opening for thicker branches and weighs only 420 grams. Its high-precision, visible staple slot and no disassembly needle make operation simple, while the secure tape box prevents slips. The set includes 20 rolls of 0.43-inch elastic tape, which is around 82 feet each. Easy to use in 3 steps: press, wrap, and release. Number 3. Mini Seed Spreader. The mini seed dispenser simplifies sowing for a neat, productive garden. Lightweight and durable, it is made of high-quality reusable plastic and easy to carry. Suitable for flowers, fruits, trees, and grasses, it works well in gardens, pots, or trays. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and even seed distribution, with adjustable button pressure to control seed quantity and size. Number 2. Garden Silicone Thumb Knife. This gardening kit includes 2 silicone thumb knives, 2 anti-cut finger covers, and a storage bag. Designed for one-handed picking or trimming, it improves efficiency when harvesting vegetables, fruits, or pruning branches. The elastic silicone finger sleeves ensure comfort during use. Number 1. Electric Pruning Shears. These cordless electric pruning shears offer safe, powerful, and comfortable trimming. A built-in safety lock prevents accidental activation, while the brushless motor ensures fast, clean cuts on branches of all sizes. Equipped with corrosion-resistant SK5 blades and a rechargeable high-capacity battery, they provide long-lasting performance and hours of uninterrupted use. So which gadget did you like most? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.